Hello and welcome to this presentation of Shopblocks2Sage. My name is Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to integrate your Shopblocks data with Sage. As you know, Shopblocks has a very powerful e-commerce platform, and within that you have different tiers of subscription. In those tiers you get access to various different plugins, and a new released plugin for that is Sage. What this plugin allows you to do is to import into Sage customers, products and sales orders that have been created in your Shopblocks website. These exports can be scheduled to run at a particular time in the day, but they can also be run manually if required, which is what I'm going to demonstrate to you in a second. There is also settings in there to allow you to configure defaults, things like a default account code for the orders, or things like nominal codes and things like that. So let's have a look at it in action. So here's my Shopblocks account with all my products on it, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and place an order for some whiteboards. So let's have a couple of those, and let's add 2 of those to my basket. Great. I'm going to close that, and then I'm going to go back to my products, and I'm going to add some, I don't know, calculators for argument's sake. Great, add that to the basket. So I've now got my order and I'm now going to check out. It's 3 items for £61. I'm going to just log in. There we are. And I'll now just proceed to my checkout. Done. So that's what an end user would do on your shopping site, and that's now been processed for £61. Great. Now, back in the back office, you have your logins, and you log into your admin console. And in here, in the plugin section, you can see that I have got my Sage plugin configured, and here it is. So if I go and have a look at the settings for that, so here's the integration tab showing all the settings. So I can automate the integration at a particular time in the day. I can run it manually, and I can set up various different defaults. So for now I'm just going to do something very simple, and I'm just going to look at today's orders. So what I'll do is I'll just press one button. What that will do is it'll go and bring the orders for today down and create an Excel spreadsheet. There it is. So if I now open that in the folder, there's the Excel spreadsheet that's been brought down, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that into my Shopblocks folder. Now, in my Shopblocks order, I've got imports, and this is basically what gets scheduled if you decide to do it automatically. But for now, I'm just going to do that manually, and all I do is just literally press one button to say import the orders, which are sitting there in that folder. And what that will do is it will take that Excel spreadsheet that we've just downloaded and import that into Sage. That's it, it's finished, and it has created our order number 335. So let's go and have a look at that in Sage. So I just refresh that, there it is, and open that up. There we are, there's my one calculator and 2 blackboards. Dead easy. Thank you for your time and interest in Shopblocks2Sage integration. Please feel free to contact me if you have any queries, and to also arrange a free trial. Thank you.